Hello guys, I'm back again. I thought I would make a video of the upgrades that I just made on my Jet JS400. Now this is a 200 euro guitar and I just spent 385 euros on upgrading this guitar. So it's amazing. It feels amazing right now. It's definitely better than it was before. But let me just show you what I did to upgrade it. First of all, I replaced the crappy string tree that was on it, and I installed a roller string tree. Then I installed some Harley Benton locking tuners. Those were 40 euros. What else? Then we come to the pickguard. This is a Mojo Tone 58 quiet coil HSS pre-wired pickguard, and yeah, it's amazing. It has a 5-way switch. It has a master volume with treble bleed, master tone for all 3 pickups, and a blend control. So when you are in the last position, you can blend in the neck humbucker, and you can do that as well in the second position. So you have all 3, or in the third position. So it's these 2. In the 4th position, it is the middle and a coil split humbucker. And then the last position is, of course, the humbucker. But you can still blend in. When you use the blend in knob, you can blend in the neck, but that's the same as in the first or last position. So yeah, and of course it has CTS pots and other nice stuff. And as I said, it was quiet coil, so they are noiseless pickups. Then I did a small upgrade on the bridge. I installed some other saddles, and I also put some shorter screws in the top there, so they don't scratch your hand when palm muting. I also replaced the output jack, which is a Switchcraft output jack, so nice as well. And then I set the bridge to be floating with only 2 springs in the back. I find that is what works the best for my 46 to 9 strings. You probably heard me playing some really crappy playing while I was talking here. So even though this guitar is amazing, I'm still a shitty player. So this whole guitar now cost me 594 euros. Is it worth it? I think so. It is an amazing guitar right now. I'm not sure a Fender Player Strat is better than this is now. So yeah, that was it, guys. Hope you liked it. Bye bye.